Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be making Flaxseeds Moongdal Laddu. They are so delicious and also super healthy. Now we're going to add half cup of whole moong dal. So now you're just going to roast them in medium flame for 10 minutes or until they turn into a golden brownish color. That's when you'll know they're ready. So you're just going to keep on frying them and moving them every few seconds so that they can get nice and roasted on all sides of themselves. I don't know why I said themselves. They're not people, are they? Well, they are kind of lumpy, but they're still delicious and super nutritious. So now you're going to keep on mixing it and roasting it. And now you can see that the color is kind of going into a golden brown color. It's kind of weird. Like it was green a few seconds ago and now it's golden brown. But that is cool too. So you're just going to keep on mixing it. And did you guys know that these are so tasty? They also look super cute and delicious. So there are our fried up seeds. So now you're gonna let it. So now that it's ready, you're gonna let it cool down, and you're gonna fry something else. You're gonna fry half cup of flax seeds. Flax seeds are actually pretty delicious. You can even eat them plain. They're super delicious, nutritious, and many more. So now we're roasting them, and don't feel like you're going to need to stand at the pan for a long time again, because you just need to roast it for 2 minutes. They're pretty easy to roast. They take a quick amount of time. Tip time! When the flax seeds start to jump up, you'll know that they're roasted and ready. So they're going to start jumping up. They won't jump as high as your face or over your pan, but they'll be a little jumpy. Not too jumpy, but just a little bit. Now it's ready. You can see that they're kind of moving. So you're gonna let them cool down, and you're gonna grind them all into some powder. So put them in a grinder, and you get your grinded powder. So you're just going to put it on a plate and not over the table because that would be messy. You've got all of your powder. So now you're going to put it aside. Well, you're actually going to grind 1 cup of jaggary now. Jaggary is so delicious. It's kind of like sugar actually. Now there's your grinded jaggary, and you're just going to mix it all together. So you're just going to add a few more ingredients, and then you're going to start forming the balls. So now you're going to add 3 teaspoons of ghee. Well, melted ghee. Because ghee, non-melted, is actually pretty hard to mix. Well, it's pretty easy, but takes a lot of time, so I'd suggest you use melted ghee. You're going to add more ghee, or you can use some milk to make your laddu. We're going to use some milk. I don't think anybody likes it too much of one ingredient. Various ingredients are best, just like eating various foods. So there we go. So now you're going to start forming your balls or your laddu. Yum. So you're going to get another plate and you're going to put all your formed laddus on it. You just grab a handful of your powder and you squish it into balls in your hands. You've got 2 laddus ready and more to come. Yum. So you just keep on squishing it until you see a round shape, and they are ready. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye, guys!